So in less than 24 hours since we left Hawaii, we are back at the airport, this time with Aseka. We're going to, and the video may not be back to back from the last one, but that's pretty much what we did because we're going to Beautiful's graduation at Duke University, and she finally got her doctorate degree, so we're so excited. Aseka and Silhouette are going wee-wee, and then we'll be getting on the plane. We're doing the red eye, so like it's like almost 11 o'clock at night. All right, talk to you guys later.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
So we are in North Carolina. We just landed and our daughter Beautiful picked us up. This is their apartment complex where they live. Pretty nice little apartment complex. I like it. It's very quiet and peaceful and just pretty buildings. Pretty soon her official graduation isn't until 6 o'clock tonight, so we'll see you then. Here's the hotel we're staying in. Pretty nice. Buffet breakfast, but we will be gone by then. Washington Duke Inn and Golf Club. That's where they're doing their graduation. Ryan's over there. Beautiful friends over there. And of course, Mommy's there, and Silhouette's wearing a pulatasi. Let's go inside for the graduation.
They have to put the hood over too.
There's a baby.
Okay.
Hi, Dr. Beautiful, almost in 5 minutes.
Uh-oh, they're calling me.
Love you. Love you. Love you.
Love you, baby.
So beautiful. She's gonna graduate. Say hi.
Yes.
Love you, baby.
Love you too.
We go in the same door. We go that way. Okay. Oh, it's pretty crowded here. I just gotta find my family. Oh, there you are. I wonder where you were sitting at. Oh, look at how crowded it is. Very fancy. Oh, I was gonna show it, but you.
Dr. Beautiful Sulani Elizabeth Reed.
Let's go, Beautiful! Look at her.
You're pretty loud.
Just a little bit.
Dr. Friends and family, please join me in congratulating the class of 2020.
They have a fancy reception set up for all the students afterwards. Pretty awesome. We're gonna go out to dinner. Maybe we'll catch a little bit of that. But if not, just want to say congratulations, Beautiful. We're so proud of you. I never thought anyone in my family would ever be a doctor, but you are number one, so we love you very much. Mwah. And thank you everyone else who watched. Have a wonderful day and the rest of your week. Bye-bye. That's her husband. You're her sister. Oh, give her a Give her a
Thank you. That was actually a
Give her a big hug. Now film me giving her a big hug for posterity.
No, I dropped my thing.
Where's the part
Mama?
where he cries? Where's the part where mom cries?
Was it cool? They call my name and stuff. It was
We
neat.
chee-hooed you.
Oh, you did? I didn't even know.
Photo time. Wait, just let it run.
Take a picture of my programs.
The programs.
Yeah, Shorty.
My knees hurt.
All right.
My knees
Now-
hurt again lower.
Now, how about just the sisters, the sister, and then we'll Photoshop Pella in later.
Wait.
Ah, cute.
Mira, papi, ven, pásale. Todo esto algún día va a ser tuyo. Ay, mamá, ya siéntate, mamá. Mira. El you muy bonito. I love you. You, ojos igual que míos. Ahora chingados, come on, please.
Sensual, un movimiento sensual, sensual, un movimiento muy sexy, sexy, un movimiento muy sexy, sexy. Y aquí se viene azul azul con este baile que es una bomba.
Thank you. Son $10. Pinche culero. Hey, you. Hey, come on. No, ¿Todo bien? Mira los meseros donde están dichos cabrones. ¿Todo bien, papi? Ah, es que no entiende un traductor, pues ponte ahí atrás de él. Ponte atrás. ¿Eh? ¿Es tu primo Heidi? Oh, que eres hermano de Dora la Exploradora. Levántame.
They're having a lot of fun.
Me.